Welcome to our detailed tutorial on PCB assembly. Today, we're diving into the precise world of solder paste application, a critical first step in ensuring the success of your electronics projects. There are multiple methods for applying solder paste to a PCB, including using a stencil, a manually operated syringe, or a dispensing system that automatically operates the syringe. In this video, we'll explore how to use an Auto Glue Dispenser to apply solder paste efficiently to both SMD pads and PTH holes. Reflowing is a process where solder paste is heated to melt and form strong electrical and mechanical connections between components and the PCB. After applying the paste, the next steps are component placement and reflow, which are covered in a separate video. Whether you're a seasoned engineer or a hobbyist, mastering this tool can significantly enhance your assembly process. As we prepare to apply solder paste, let's take a quick look at the essential tools we'll be using today. First up, the Auto Paste Dispenser. This device is key to applying solder paste with precision, ensuring each application is just the right amount. Next, we have our SN42/by58T for lead-free solder paste. With a very low melting point of 138 degrees Celsius, this paste is not only safe and lead-free, but also provides strong and reliable solder joints once reflowed without damaging the PCB and its components. And finally, our circuit board holder. This adjustable, rotating tool is invaluable for holding the circuit board steady while easily pasting with both sides. In this section, we'll go over the settings for the Auto Glue Dispenser to ensure precise solder paste application. First, set the dispensing pressure to control the flow of paste. Next, adjust the speed and duration to match the size of the pads and holes. Fine-tuning these settings ensures consistent paste coverage, preventing excess paste or insufficient application. Make sure to test and calibrate the dispenser before starting your PCB assembly for optimal results. By applying solder paste to both the top and bottom sides of the PTH holes, we ensure sufficient paste fills the entire hole, allowing for effective placement and reflow soldering of PTH components alongside SMD components. Consider increasing the dispensing duration to 1 second to provide sufficient solder to fill the hole from both sides. Apply a small amount of paste on each of the SMD pads, using a shorter duration of about 0.4 seconds to ensure precise placement for reflow soldering. For the IC pads, which are narrower, pull the paste lengthwise along the pad. After placing the components and reflowing the solder, we'll inspect and fix any solder bridges that may occur. For the very small IC pads, we'll first apply a tiny amount of paste, then smooth it across the pads. During reflow, the small amount of solder will move onto the pads beneath the IC sleeves. This picture demonstrates this process by showing the solder smoothly flowing onto the pads after heating. Thanks for viewing. For more information, check out our documentation, YouTube videos, and blog posts. Links are available below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates.